During his last stay in Skopje, Assistant Secretary Filip Riker, in the context of the dialogue between the government and the opposition on the law of the public prosecutor, stated that, I'm going to quote, that political games should come to an end, and he was referring to the behavior of the opposition. This issue is still pending. Have you opened this issue about the prosecutor's law with the leader of the opposition, Mickoski, while you were here in Skopje?
I met last night with Mr. Mickoski. We talked about this issue at length. I made clear the importance that the United States attaches to this issue, to getting in place not just a PPO law, but a good law, one that advances the goals of rule of law, transparency, accountability, and good governance, one that sends the right signals to the European Union, one that sends the right signals to the public of North Macedonia, that those who abuse position, those who abuse positions of influence and authority will be held to account. And it's very important that there be participation in this, not just of the governing parties, but of the opposition parties. That's true not just because of the mathematics. It's true not just because you need a certain number of votes. It's true because this should be a process to which all leaders, both in government and outside of government, are committed to for the betterment of the country.